Hi, my name is Amanda Klaus, and this is my career research presentation for a 3D modeler. So what a 3D modeler does is that they work in various media such as television and movies, creating 3D models from the concept arts, painting textures on digital models, and creating skeletons for animators to use in video games and even TV advertisements. They also have a primary job in 3D graphic design and making those visual and special effects that you see on those blockbuster movies. The salary range in 2013, the median pay for a 3D animator was 61,370, but a high-end animator's pay can be upward of 113,000. We are also looking at a 6% job increase for 3D animators into the year 2022, so it is a growing industry and there will be a lot of opportunities. And what's great too is that there are a few animators specifically majoring in 3D animation, so there's going to be even more industries looking for 3D animators in the future. The education for 3D animation, the minimum seems to be a bachelor's degree in 3D animation, but what's really cool about this is that, say for instance, if you wanted to make 3D models for a scientific field, you would actually have to major in physics and minor in 3D animation, so you really have to understand what you are creating when you become a 3D modeler. The positives of this job is that you get to bring ideas to life. So you get to look at these concept arts or anything on paper and you get to bring them into life and into animation as a 3D object. So there's going to be a lot of fun work environments that you get to work in, such as like a gaming industry. And when you're starting out, if you are self-employed, you even get a chance to work from home because all you really need is a computer that can process all of the programs that you'll need to use to create these 3D models. But if you do end up working in like an office or something, those can be really fun and fast-paced work environments. The negatives of this job, however, is that you have very long and stressful hours. If you work for like a gaming industry, they constantly have to push out new content like every year, every 2 years. And one game might take upward of 5+ years to create. So there's going to be a lot of crunch time and overtime to put in. And if you are self-employed at the beginning, sometimes that doesn't bring you a lot of opportunities to get into that field. Plus, when you are a 3D modeler and you're making things for other people, perfection is key. If they don't like what you made, you either have to start immediately from scratch or try and tinker with this 3D model until it is perfect to both you and your employer. For me, I feel like this degree fits me personally 100%. I am somebody who is a perfectionist. I like to make sure that the things I create and the things that I do are perfect and that the other person likes them as well. I'm also a huge visual learner. I can't do something if somebody hands me a piece of paper and says, okay, you need to do this, this, and this. I had to actually see what I'm doing and then, work on it from there. And when I did the career coach assessment too, they suggested arts and digital media to me, so it is something that fits my personality. So my future steps right now are to complete my bachelor's degree in 3D animation and game design through Ferris University, and then towards the end of my college career, I'm going to look into possible internships and see if I can get some hands-on experience to add to my portfolio. So a big thank you to the Art Career Project and the Animation Career Review for giving me the stats and resources that I needed for this, and thank you for watching.